Voices of Asia, the secret symphony of songbirds. Hidden beneath the canopies of Asia's lush jungles lies a secret symphony, not of strings or flutes, but of feathers and lungs. This is the realm of Asia's songbirds, each voice a masterpiece, each melody a declaration of territory, love, or longing. The Asian Koel, Eudynamis scolopaceus, is a ghost of folklore. Its haunting call echoes through India and Southeast Asia, inspiring poetry for centuries. The white-rumped Shama, Copsychus malabaricus, a master vocalist of the forest, cries for a song so pure it once echoed through palace gardens. And then, the Malabar Whistling Thrush, Myophonus horsefieldi, nicknamed the whistling schoolboy, mimicking humans with uncanny precision. Their cousins, the blue whistling thrush, Myophonus caeruleus, and orange-headed thrush, Guiacicla citrina, fill mountain valleys with notes that dance like morning mist. In the east, the Chinese Hwamei, Garrulax canorus, with its painted eyes and liquid trills, sings stories older than dynasties, and from treetops to temples, the Oriental Magpie-Robin, Copsychus solaris, and cheerful bulbuls remind us that beauty isn't rare. It sings around us, daily. Even the humble common Myna, Acridotheres tristis, earns its fame by mimicking everything from car alarms to human laughter. And finally, the zebra dove, Geopalius striata, soft, subtle, but unforgettably serene. A lullaby in feathers. Each note in this orchestra tells a story of survival, of evolution, and of harmony between creature and soundscape. But many of these voices are fading. Habitat loss and illegal trade are silencing their songs forever. So next time you hear a bird, pause, listen, because in that note is the soul of a forest. And remember, don't forget to look up at the sky. Videos taken in India and Thailand. Happy birding!